Hey guys, I'm Dawson and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, a little bit about myself. Currently I'm living and studying in a Japanese university. So I'm a third year student here, so one more year. And I live in a small city, Beppu. And if you're interested about work and life in Japan, please subscribe to this channel because we will have more videos about work in Japan, because I think it's a very important thing. If you're coming to Japan, if you want to stay in Japan, you need to do something, right? You always need to move. But today I wanted to talk about my passive income sources, and it's 5 ways I make money while I'm studying here. Because of course you can do part-time job in Japan, but the thing is you're basically selling your time for money. Of course, I understand some people are not aware of passive income, and there are a lot of misconceptions about passive income. They think like you're just sleeping, you're not doing anything, and you're making money. It's not true, because passive income requires a lot of work in the beginning, and then of course you can enjoy your time and sometimes manage your sources, right? And also I want to notice that this video is not for bragging, and I don't want to like show off. I just want to share my I want to be transparent and share my knowledge and my thoughts, like how you can start making passive income. All right, let's start. And first passive income source is YouTube. You're watching YouTube video right now, and a lot of people think YouTubers make money from views or subscribers or something like that. It's not true. And actually, if you're a YouTuber, you make money only from advertisement views. So probably before watching this video, you saw this skippable 5-second ad, and for those advertisement views, YouTube pays you money every month. And as you can see, I make videos in Russian. I have a pretty decent channel in Russian language, but of course it's not my main source of income. And also I make brand deals. So if there are any service or product that I can recommend to my subscribers, I do that as well. So it's pretty good, I think, because I started this way. It's basically like you post videos, and through some time they still gain views, and you get pretty good money, I think. But it's not like if you have million subscribers, it means you can make a huge bag. Of course you can, but you need to think as a businessman, because some channels earn a lot, and some channels, even they're huge, they don't earn that much. So that's why it's a good thing, YouTube, it exists, so I don't mind it, but it's not the main thing. And if we go to the second one, is actually affiliate programs. And there are actually a lot of affiliate programs, and basically affiliate works like a recommendation. So if you recommend some product or services to your let's say you have a amount of subscribers or people who watch you, and you get a commission from that. For example, I do advertisement or affiliate for a Russian website, Puzzle English. So they have so it's basically like a Netflix, but with Russian and English subtitles, and I get a small commission from that. So it's like a win-win situation. I recommend this product, and person who is searching for something like that, he finds it, and it's also good for a company, basically like a free advertisement. Yeah, it's a pretty good thing. Also, you can do Amazon. So, Amazon is huge, and Rakuten in Japan, it's also pretty big. So, like Rakuten is Japanese Amazon. So you can recommend some products and get your commission from that. So it's pretty good thing, and it's also can be passive because I uploaded some videos like years ago, and they still earn me some coins. Yeah, okay, let's go to the next one. And the third way to earn passive income is dropshipping. And you might think dropshipping, I heard about that, but I don't really trust that. But to be honest, like dropshipping is a great way to start e-commerce. We see all of those like websites and shops that are, gaining a huge amount of money and investment, like movement watches and baller, or like all those startups and fashion brands are gaining a huge amount of money and following. But they also started from drop shipping. They also started from this type of business. So drop shipping works like that. So you buy some products, let's say from China, for a small amount of money, and sell them to your customers. But you don't need to have a stock. So when you have an order, you just order this from China and directly send it to your customers. That's how it works. So like I think it's a great way to start. And you might learn some caveats, and it's also like a try to start something. You don't need to risk all of your money to invest into the stock and like into the products, and you always can sell some things to your customers and make successful products. So that's why I think dropshipping is still alive in 2019. All right, let's go to the fourth, and it is online courses. It is a huge business in 2019, and you can still try, to make courses, videos, create materials for your students. And I think when you start your channel, for example, on YouTube, think about your product first, and then you might think what kind of content you want to put out to promote your course. Of course, you need to make something valuable for your viewers and subscribers, right? And you can start earning little by little. And sites like Udemy or Skillshare, you can actually be an instructor, and you don't need to make your own website. But of course, after some time, you need to think about your own online course in your website, because you will get your viewers and your subscribers in your website, and you can control who will get what, and it's just easier, But for starting, I think Udemy works pretty good. Skillshare a little bit harder because they have special requirements. So yeah, online courses. And last but not least is translation and voiceover. So this is this business and this kind of like side hustle I started 2-3 years ago, and I think it can be useful for a lot of people because in Japan you probably know not just English, right? You understand Japanese a little bit, so that's why you can use your skill to help restaurants to translate menus, and like just your city hall, they can provide you some job. And also you can use it for online creators. We have a lot of like million subscriber channels on YouTube, right? More than 1,000 or something. So that's why you can just pitch them, email or DM them, and help them to translate their videos or their content to other languages. For example, I do a channel. I make English videos for Russian channel, and our channel is pretty successful, and it can earn from $5,000 to $10,000 because it's a lot for this type of channel. But you need to consider that some channels earn as I explained before, smaller than that, and you cannot really count how much you can earn for per 1,000 views, and you cannot really check it on Social Blade or other websites because it might fluctuate, and it might change depending on a region that people watch. For example, in US, Australia and developed countries, ad can be more expensive than, let's say, India or Russia. So that's why you might consider that. And also topic, for example, financial or car reviews, they earn much more than gaming channels or prank channels. So that's why consider that. And for your commission, you might ask for a fee per video, or there are different rates, or you can ask for a percentage. Yeah, percentage is not that good in the beginning because you need to create a lot of content basically for free in the beginning for 1, 2, 3 months, and after some time you will start earning a little. So it might it depends on type of channel and a creator. If he cares about his content and his channel, then he will invest into this as well. So that's why consider that translation and voiceover on YouTube or other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and so on. So that was basically it for this income channels. And of course I have a job, right, in Japan, because like a part-time job. That's why I don't really sit at home and do nothing, right? It also takes time to create those videos, so, and invest into gear and also time sometimes, because you still need to manage those income streams, right? So I don't want to lose them, right? But still it's a good option. Like, let's say you don't know what will happen tomorrow, right? What if you will get sick and you cannot go to work, or you cannot skip your part-time job? So it also helps you with that. So and invest into the future and new projects. This helps me a lot. So if you have any questions about passive income or other income streams, please leave a comment, and please subscribe to this channel if you're interested about work and other topics regarding this in Japan. I will be happy to answer you. So see you in the next video. Click to the other videos you can watch in our channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.